Good evening. Before you have the proposed time extension for track map number 32726. The project site is located at the southwest corner of Grand Avenue and Nyiri Way, and the site's approximately 4.14 acres. The track map was originally approved December 4, 2007 by the Riverside County Board of Supervisors to subdivide the property into 7 half-acre lots for single-family development. It's already received 7 years of automatic extensions and was set to expire this December 4th, but the applicant submitted the required application and fees within the 30-day expiration requirement. The applicant is now requesting approval of the first time extension, and they will have 4 remaining time extensions left before the map expires. This is the approved track map. The extension of time meets the required findings for approval in that it remains consistent with the low density residential land use designation. It continues to meet the RA zone and development standards. It doesn't adversely affect the health, welfare, and safety of the public, and all original conditions of approval and mitigation measures would remain in effect. Therefore, staff recommends that the Planning Commission adopt PC Resolution number 2017-27, approving the 1-year time extension for track map number 32726. And that concludes my presentation.
Thank you very much. Any discussion? Any public comments?
Yeah.
Yes, Chair.
All right.
We have Mr. Ernest Helm.
Yes, my name's Ernie Helm, I live at 33055 Nyiri Way. I come in about a year ago concerned about the road they designed for Nyiri Way. They shows a 14-foot road with 6-inch curve with a 2% slope. I gave you pictures of that last little shower we had, probably 1/10 of an inch. We got water coming down from up on the hills, down through here. You build 7 homes in there, roofs on them, blacktop driveways, it's going to flood us out. And that is a safety, public health violation. They need to work on their drainage before they decide to build homes. And I'd appreciate it if they look into it. Thank you.
Do we have any other public comments?
Yes, we have Jerome Berger.
I was the same.
Okay.
Got Mr. Kenny Mays.
How can the city approve an extension of time when a number of factors have changed since the county approved this project? This project proposes to direct water flow off the hills above and into the streets. Since this project was approved, the city has experienced a sinkhole condition along Grand Avenue in this location. This project should be required to tie into the existing drainage system under Grand Avenue and not be allowed to direct flows into an already compromised roadway. These homes are also approved for septic systems. I believe there is a sewer line also running down Grand Avenue, and this developer should be required to tie into that system. Thank you.
That is all I have, Chair.
Sure. The applicant's engineer is here to respond to those questions.
Good evening. My name is Sam. I approve the SIG engineers. A couple concerns the gentleman they had. Actually, in regard to drainage, based on our design, which we have designed the street with berm, is really conveying the flow from their properties to the existing channels. So whatever precondition exists now, we have done improvement in terms of drainage. And then the other concern was regarding the sewer. We are bringing sewer, there's no septic on this. If you have any question, I'm here to answer.
No, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay. Council discussion? Or commission discussion?
Staff, is there any drainage concerns that we have that haven't been addressed? Is there any conditions in the plan or the approval to make sure we have drainage accurate?
Well, I'll let Dan speak to that, but again, this is a track map, so there has been no improvement plan designs that have been submitted to the city.
Okay.
They will have to comply with all of our city standards, but I'll let Dan expand on that.
Yeah, the conditions of approval address drainage, they address up project drainage, down project drainage, there are protections in there. At this point in time, there are conditions of their map to have engineered plans to address those drainage. Those engineered plans are going through plan review now, they are not approved or accepted, but they will be checked against the conditions of approval.
Okay. It is just step one. All right, any further discussion? I have a motion on this issue. Resolution 2017-27.
Well, since it is a time extension and there are plans and reviews and the engineers have addressed and are in the process of any future concerns, addressing those, I motion we adopt resolution 2017-27.
Have a second?
I'll second.
Roll call vote.
Chairman Lloyd,
Aye.
Vice Chairman Thomas,
Aye.
Commissioner Langworthy,
Aye.
Commissioner Strong,
Aye.
Commissioner Ballard.
Aye.
Resolution passes 5-0.